Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you a rifle bipod from Shopee. Alright, so I have here the rifle bipod from Shopee. This is cost 150 pesos and it's very cheap and made of plastic, and this one is made of metal and the rest are made of plastic. So there's a button here which you can press and pull out the bipod foot. So there's a spring inside and you can push it back if you're not using it, and then you can press and bring it out if you're gonna use it. So the size of this bipod is 20mm for 20mm rail, and here's the and here's the bottom. So there's a foam here, so it really looks good and like not too sturdy but still a good grip, and it will stand itself. So I'll get my rifle and show you what it looks like. Loosen the screw and then you put into your rail, yep, and then you lock it with your bare hands, so you can use your finger, so it doesn't need any screw or any type of screwdriver to tighten it, so you can just use your finger. There it is. So here, see it? So this is your bipod and this is your rifle. Alright, so well, for me guys, since it has a very good grip and your rifle can still stand very stable and without any risk of like falling your rifle, for me it's 8 out of 10 rating, since because it's plastic, of course, compared to the bipod which is made of metal. So but with its price, so what you see is what you get. So alright, so please post your comments below if you have any question.